There are people from all over the globe making money with this website, and today I will show you a very simple and done for you strategy that will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars on complete autopilot. If you want to know how, then make sure you stay with me until the end of the video, because skipping ahead will not get you the desired results and will just get you confused and lost. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so before I even go ahead and show you what the site is and how this works and how you can actually set this up on autopilot, let's start off this video with proof that this platform called Volutech.com is actually legit and will get you paid. As you can see, not only are people getting paid through this site literally and daily, but you have people from all over the globe getting paid. So as I promised you in that intro, this does work worldwide and will work in any country. However, as some of you have seen by now, this is not a big amount of money we're talking about, and this is why I said it's important you stick with me and keep watching. Because if you don't, you'll just be able to make like a couple of bucks here and there with this site, and it won't be in passive income either. So be patient and stay with me so you won't regret it. Now, with that being said, for those of you who haven't realized by now, Volutech is basically a make money online site, and here you can get paid by basically reading emails. And since we won't be making money in that fashion, it's pointless that I go over all the features of this platform, since you guys can do that yourself if you wish so. So now let's get to the point. When you come to this website, you will be able to see the register button in the upper right corner. So you want to click on that, and from there, what you need to do is enter in your username, your valid email address, your password, which also you need to confirm, and then skip this referral box and leave it blank. And then just tick these two boxes here in order to agree to their terms and privacy policy, and then just click on register in order to create your account. Once you do so, before you will be able to log in, you will first need to confirm that email address you entered is actually yours. And so, just come over to your Gmail account, find an open message from Volutech, and then just click on the link to finish the registration process. And finally, with that done, you'll now be able to log in into your account. And this is how everything will look. You can see your username in the upper right corner. Here, you can see how much money you've made. And to withdraw your earnings, all you have to do is click on money here and then on withdraw just below. But since you won't have any money when you create your account, let me explain how you will actually get paid with this site. And it's actually with Volutech's referral system, because check this out. If you come over here to their homepage and scroll down, you will come across this section here. And in here, you can see that the minimum payout is 20 cents, which is, by the way, is very low, but it's still a pretty nice addition. But what's important for us is what we can see down below. You will get paid $1 when someone you referred to this platform also earns $1. So think about this for a second. If you can find people who want to make money online and you referred them to this site, it's a no-brainer they will start making money reading emails, and like 99% of them will not stop until they've earned at least a halfway decent amount of cash. This means that most of the time, if you refer 100 people here for example, chances are you will earn also $100. 1,000 people is $1,000. So as you can see, this does have a huge potential to earn you money passively. But what's even better is that if someone you refer here earns $10, you will also earn $10. So to summarize, you won't get paid a maximum of $1 per person referred, which makes this even better. And so if you're able to find people who are interested in making money online, you will have literally no trouble referring them to this platform and making a lot of money in passive income. But before I show you the platform where you can do that, let me show you where your referral link is. The link is located right up here on the dashboard, and whenever someone signs up via that link and earns some money, you will as well. Now, what I would highly recommend you guys to do is shorten this link with the URL shorteners like bit.ly.com. The reason you want to do this is because if you're giving out this link as it is right now, it will be blatantly obvious to the people that you're promoting Volutic, and as such, you will get less clicks than otherwise would be the case. And so, even though this is an optional step, it will allow you to earn more money. Now, in case you do want to shorten it, what you need to do is come over to bit.ly here and scroll down just a little bit. Then you want to paste the link here and click on shorten. And with that done, it's finally time for me to show you a site where you can get traffic. The site in question is called Trendry.com. And the reason why this is the perfect place to get traffic, you can see that right here on their homepage. This is a make money online forum, which makes it the best place to promote Volutic here to earn money. On this platform, you have literally thousands upon thousands of people who all want to make money online, who discuss making money online all the time in all the various platforms where they can do so. And most importantly, for us who will be interested in Volutic and will want to give it a try and thus make you money in passive income. What you need to do here first is click on register in the upper right corner here to create an account. When you log in into your brand new account, this is how everything will look. And what you will now need to do is select one of these actions. You have Make Money Online, Affiliates Program, Survey, and so on. The two I would recommend you open are the Make Money Online and Affiliate sections. What you need to do from there is click on Post Thread in order to be able to share your referral link. Now, what you will write in here, guys, is completely up to you. But in order to get more clicks, what I recommend you do is write in the title something like Make $100 receiving emails free, which is precisely what you want. And what you want to write in the actual thread is something like this. I'm looking for people who want to make money online. Only the first 20 can get the spot. If interested, reply to this post and leave your email address. Now, the reason you don't want to write something like this free site can get you paid by reading emails, is because people will realize you're promoting something. Even though that wouldn't be too bad of an idea, simply put, you won't get that many clicks. But if you say something like only the first 10 or 20 people can get this spot, this creates a sense of urgency, and your post will get a lot more attention. And when you get some replies to your post, what you'll want to do is contact those people through their emails and send them your referral link. And when they make some money with Volutic, you will do so as well passively. And that's it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.